Assalamu alaikum students. This is our first lecture of book 2 of standard 3rd and I will be teaching you the science subject. So let us start. Let's open the science section of book 2 first. So here is our first chapter of book 2. It's about safety in first aid. So students, open your books at page number 78. Our first chapter is about safety and first aid. So what does the word safety means? The word safety means the condition or feeling of being safe. And the word first aid, what is first aid? It is the basic medical care given to an injured person. So let us start our chapter now. As you all can see, there are a few pictures given here. And in the first picture, Asif is playing with matchsticks. So students, tell me, should he play with the matchsticks like this? Is it safe for children to play with matchsticks? No, it is not. As we all know, it is not safe for children to play with matchsticks. So we have to write here U. U stands for unsafe. If it is safe, then we have to write here S. But as we all know, students should not be playing with matchsticks like this. So it is totally unsafe for children. So we have to write here U. U stands for unsafe. In the next picture, as you all can see, Aksa is reading a book. Here is the girl, Aksa, and she is reading the book. So is it safe or not? Is it safe to read a book? Yes, it is totally safe to read a book. So we have to write here S. And here S stands for safe. In the third picture, as you all can see, this boy is helping the old lady. So is it safe to help others? Yes, it is totally safe to help other people. So we have to write here S, which stands for safe. And in the fourth picture, as we all can see, two kids are fighting with each other. So students, tell me, is it safe or unsafe to fight with each other? It's unsafe to fight with each other. So you have to write here U, which stands for unsafe. So let's start with the chapter reading now. Rules which help us to keep safe from injuries and accidents are called safety rules. Those rules which keep us from being hurt, which keeps us safe and safe from injuries and accidents, those rules are called as safety rules. And to avoid such injuries, we should follow certain rules. Let us learn about some safety rules at home, in school and at road. So here are a few rules that we should follow at home. As children, we all know our lives are very important. Hence, to protect them, to protect our lives, we need to follow certain rules of safety, both at home as well as outside. So here are a few rules given that we should keep in mind, that we should follow at our home. So here is the first rule, rule number 1. Touching any electrical devices with wet hand might give you an electric shock. So we should never ever touch the electrical devices with wet hand. और हमें ऐसा क्यों करना चाहिए, क्यों नहीं करना चाहिए? ताकि हमें कोई कभी भी इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक ना लगे. और अगर हम गीले हाथ, वेट हैंड मीन्स गीले हाथों से कभी भी हम इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइसेस को टच करते हैं तो हमें शॉक लग सकता है. सो वी शुड अवॉइड टचिंग इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइसेस विद वेट हैंड्स. रूल नंबर 2. Taking any medicine without asking an adult might harm you. We should never take any medicine without asking others, without asking adults. Because sometimes medicines can be very harmful, very dangerous for us, for children. So we should not take any medicine without asking adults. So rule number 3 is playing with matchstick or knives or touching hot pans and stove might give you a burn. So यहाँ पे क्या बता रहा है कि हमें कभी भी मैच स्टिक्स यानी कि माचिस की तीलियों के साथ, नाइव्स दैट मीन्स चाकू, और या फिर हमें कभी भी हॉट पैन्स को टच नहीं करना चाहिए या हॉट स्टोव्स को टच नहीं करना चाहिए. उससे क्या हो सकता है कि हमारा हाथ जल सकता है. सो हियर इज द रूल नंबर 4. Running while climbing up or coming downstairs as you could fall down or hurt yourself. हमें कभी भी कभी ऊपर चढ़ते हुए या डाउनस्टेयर्स आते हुए, कभी भी सीढ़ियों से नीचे उतरते हुए कभी भी हमें दौड़ना नहीं चढ़ना चाहिए. क्यों? उससे हम गिर सकते हैं और खुद को चोट पहुंचा सकते हैं. So here is the rule number 5. Walking or running on the wet floor can make you slip or fall. और कभी भी हमें गीले फ्लोर पे नहीं दौड़ना चाहिए, रन नहीं करना चाहिए, नहीं चलना चाहिए. उससे क्या हो सकता है, हम गिर सकते हैं और हमें चोट आ सकती है. So there are 5 rules that we should always keep in mind when we are at home. Let's read them again. Rule number 1 is touching any electrical device with wet hand might give you an electric shock. Rule number 2, taking any medicine without asking adult might harm you. Rule number 3, playing with matchsticks or knives or touching hot pans and stoves might give you a burn. Rule number 4, running while climbing up or coming downstairs as you could fall down and hurt yourself. Rule number 5, walking and running on wet floor can make you fall and slip. So these are the 5 rules that we should keep in mind. So students, tell me, should we touch any electrical device with wet hands? No, we should not touch any electrical devices with wet hands. And should we take medicines without asking any adult? No, we should not take any medicine without asking any adult. And we should not play with matchsticks and knives or touching hot pans. And we should avoid touching hot pans and stoves. And we should not run while coming downstairs. And what should we not do? We should not run on the wet floor. So students, I hope you all will learn these 5 rules, these 5 safety rules at home, and in the next lecture, we will study about the safety rules in school, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.